Good morning, children. How are you all? I think everyone have fine at your home, right? Drink plenty of water. Don't go outside. Please follow the precautions of COVID-19. Okay. Today onwards you are going to face the sleep test, right? Please practice at your home. Okay. Other subjects, if you read means you can do, but maths, if you practice alone, you can do the sums. Last class, most of them sent your answer sheet. Good. But some of them not sent your answers. Please don't do it. Do the answers properly and send it on time. Okay. Last class, what we saw now? Yes. Chapter 2, addition. What we saw? Chapter 2, addition. So we go for small recap. Yes. What is the symbol of addition, ma'am? What is the symbol of addition? Yes. Plus is the symbol of addition. What is the symbol of addition? Plus is the symbol of addition. Symbol. Plus is the symbol of addition. Okay. What is the answer of addition? Sum. Sum is answer of addition. Sum is answer of addition. What is the meaning of this? See, 4 plus 5. If we add 4 plus 5, what is the answer? Sum. Okay. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. So 9 is sum. Okay. What is the answer of addition? This answer of addition is 9. So 9 is called sum. Very clear, ma? What is add? Whenever you are adding two or more number, whenever you are putting together two or more number, then that is called add. Okay? If you put two or more numbers together, then that is called add. This and that we saw in our last class itself. Right? Whenever you are doing the addition, you should remember some points. Yes? What are the points you should remember? I already told, no? What are the points you should remember, Kana? What is the first point you should remember? Yes, changing the order of the number. Changing the order of the number while adding does not change the answer. What is the first point? Changing the order of the number while adding. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. I am going to change the order of the number. Then 3 plus 4 also 7. Changing the order of the number while adding does not change the answer. That is the first point. What is the second point? Yes, 0. 0 added with any number, you will get same number as the answer. What is the meaning of that? See here. 7 plus 0. 0 added with any number. You will get same number. 7 number is the answer. You will get same number as answer. That is the second point. Suppose 1 plus 0. 1. 0 plus 9. 9. Okay. 0 added with any number. If it is front or back, wherever place it may be. 0 added with any number, you will get the same number, bigger number as answer. Okay. What is the value of 0 plus 0? Is 0 only. Okay. Here no value. Everything are same. Both are equal. So 0, 0 only the answer. Okay. What is the third point? What is the third point, ma? Any number added with 1. Any number added with 1. You will get next number as answer. Okay. Suppose 6 plus 1. What is the next number of 6? 7. That is after number. Right? 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay. And 8 plus 1. 9. 21 plus 1. 21 after 22. Any number added with 1, you will get after number as answer. Okay. So please repeat the points. First point, when you change the order of the number while adding, does not change the answer. And second point, 0 added with any number, you will get same number as answer. Third point, any number added with 1, you will get next number as answer. Okay. Next is doubles, right? What is doubles, ma'am? When you add same number 2 times, then that is called doubles. Okay. See, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 4 plus 4, 8, 5 plus 5, 10, 6 plus 6, 12, 7 plus 7, 14, 8 plus 8, 16, 9 plus 9, 18, 10 plus 10, 20. This is doubles. Okay. This one we can say double table. Okay. Please remember the table I already told. I think you memorized it, right? Okay. What is 0 plus 0? Yes, 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay. So, please repeat it again. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 4 plus 4, 8, 5 plus 5, 10, 6 plus 6, 12, 7 plus 7, 14, 8 plus 8, 16, 9 plus 9, 18, and 10 plus 10, 20. This is doubles table. Next, what we saw now? Yes, combination of 10. Combination of 10. I already told there are 6 combinations of 10 is there, right? I already told 6 combinations of 10 is there. What are the 6 combinations of 10? Yes, first one is 0 plus 10 equal to 10. Second one, 1 plus 9 equal to 10. Third one, 2 plus 8 equal to 10. Fourth one, 3 plus 7 equal to 10. Fifth one, 4 plus 6 equal to 10. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. Okay. There are 6 combinations of 10 is there. That one also we saw in our last class. Right? You read everything. If you are not, please read it. Okay? Then only you can do the sum in fast way. Okay? And next we saw how to do the addition using blocks. Right? Tens blocks and ones blocks using blocks. How to do the addition with regroup also we saw in our last class. Okay, the same pattern, shall we do the addition again? Shall we do some addition sums? See here, this is 3-digit addition, right? 3 one-digit number. How to add 3 one-digit number? See here, first which number you are going to add? I already told if double is there. Try to do the double first. Okay, so you should do the doubles. We add 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. Don't write 6 here. Okay, because this is not a sum. You should add 4 also. So write it side, right hand side. Now add 6 plus 4. What is 6 plus 4? It is combination of 10, no? Yes, 6 plus 4 is 10. So what is the answer? 10. See here, 10 is 2-digit number, but I am not having any numbers here. Okay, here any 10 space is there. If any 10 space is there, I should carry over. But here no 10 space, so I write as it is. Okay, see the next sum. Here any double is there? Yes, 2 plus 2, 4. plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay. See the next one. Here any double is there? No doubles, right? But another one is there. What is that? Yes, you can see the combination of 10, no? Which two number if you add this, you will get 10. Yes, 3 plus 7. Add 3 plus 7, you will get 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 1 is 11. So what is the answer? 11. Okay. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Okay. Here also no digits. If any tens place is here, you should carry over the number and you should add. But here I am not having any tens place. So you can write the sum as it is. Okay. See the next sum. Here I am having ones and tens place. Ones place also is there and tens place also is there. How many tens is there and how many ones is there? In 43 consists of how many ones and how many tens? Yes, 43. In 43, 4 tens is there. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10. 43 consists of 4 10 and 3 ones. 8 consists of 8 ones. 8 consists of 8 ones. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now which place you should add first? Ones place or tens place? Yes, you should always start with ones place. Try to add the ones place. 8 plus 3. See here, whenever you are adding the number, try to put big number near your mind. Okay, you can, if you put this number also no problem, but if you put big number near mind, it is very easy to add. 8 in the mind, 3 in the finger, 8 after 9, 10, 11. If you interchange add also, you will get same answer. 3 in the mind, 8 in the finger, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Otherwise, using blocks also you can add. See here, 8 plus 2 is 10. So this is 10. 10, you can make it as 10 block. And 1 is there. So how many ones is remaining? 1. 11. 11 ones place, write it down, and tens place carry over. That is this 110 we are going to add here. So carry over. 1 plus 4, 5. 51 is the answer. Okay. See the next sum. Here also I am having ones and tens. Here, which two number you should add first? Yes, ones place you should add first. You should start with ones place. 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. Here doubles, right? 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 minus 1, 9. And 7, here no number to add, so you can write directly 7. So 79 is the answer. Very clear, ma? See the next sum. Here also you are having 2-digit number, ones place and tens place. Without using the blocks, if we add, see, whenever you are doing the addition, you should start with ones place. Add the ones place, 9 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 will be the answer. Right? 15 is 1 digit or 2 digit, kana? It is 2-digit number, no? So you should not write the number as it is here. You should write separately. Okay. And write the ones place and tens place. Okay. Here ones place you should write it down. Ones place you should write down. So 5 will come here. And tens place you should carry over. tens place you should carry over. So it will go there. Now add 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. Any number added with 1 after number will be the answer. No. So 2 plus 1. 3. So 3 will be the answer. Okay. So 29 plus 6 equal to 35. Are you clear, ma? See here, Kana? Now we are going to add this number. Okay. Whenever you do the addition, where you should start? You should start with 1 space. No. This is 1 space and this is change space. So start with 1 space. Do it. 6 in the mind. Say it with me. 6 in the mind and 9 in the finger. 6 in your mind and 9 in your finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is 1 digit or 2 digit number, Kana? Yes, it is 2 digit number. 15 consists of 2 numbers, right? So it is 2 digit number. Okay. If it is 2 digit number, you should not write down. You should write here. Okay. And 1's place and 10's place. You can say 2 numbers. So 1's place and 10's place. The 1's place you should write it down. 1's place always you should write down. And 10's place you should carry over. Now add the number 1 plus 7. 8. So 85 is the answer. Very clear, ma? And see the next sum. 75 plus 9. 75 plus 9. Here which 2 numbers should add first? 1 space. 1 space which 2 number is there? 5 and 9. Yes? 1 space you should start first. So 1 space 5 and 9 is there. Try to add these 2 numbers. 5 in the mind and 9 in the finger. 5 in the mind and 9 in the finger. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what is the answer? 14 will be the answer. Right? This one also 2 digit number, no? So 1's place you should write it down. 1's place is nothing but here. 4 you should write it down. 10's place you should carry over. Now 1 plus 7. Any number added with 1 will get next number as answer. What is the next number of 7? After number of 7? 8. So 8 is the answer. Okay. So what is the answer? 84. 75 plus 9 is 84. Right? Do the next sum. See the next sum. 47 plus 4. 47 plus 4. Which 2 number you should add here? This 4 and this 4. No. Right? 1's place and 10's place. Why I wrote this 4 here? What you can write here also, no? I already told whenever you are writing the number, you should write the place value. Right? If you write 47, you have 2 numbers, 1's and 10's. 2 numbers means 1's and 10's place. And 4 alone is there. Then it contains only 1 number. So 1's place alone is there. Here no 10's value. Okay. So 1's place which 2 number is there? 7 and 4. So you should write in this order. 1's place, all 1's place numbers you should write in one order, and 10's place numbers and all you should write in another order. Okay. So another column. This is column, right? 1's place you should write in one column, and 10's place you should write in another column. So add the number 7 plus 4. 7 in the mind and 4 in the finger. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is 1 digit or 2 digit number? 2 digit number, right? Here both are 1, right? 1's place also 1, 10's place also 1. 1's place 1, you should write it down. 10's place 1, you should carry over. 4 plus 1? Yes, 5. So 51 will be the answer. Okay? digit number. Okay, next we are going to add 2-digit number with 2-digit number. So we add this number. See here, 1 and change place. Whenever you do the addition, you should start with 1's place. So add the 1's place. 6 plus 5. 6 in the mind and 5 in the finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Another way also you can add, right? 6 plus 5 is, if you see nicely means you can find. This is near double. Right? 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Right? Another way 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 minus 1, 11. That way also we can add. So answer is 11. 1's place and 10's place, right? 1's place down and 10's place carry over. Now add these two numbers first. Whenever you do the addition, carry over is there. Try to add this number first. 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2. Here another number also is there. Here directly 2 number alone is there. You wrote the answer, right? But here 3 numbers are here. One is carry over and another 2 numbers are there in its place. So you should add this number also. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 7 after 8, 9. So 91 is the answer. Okay? See this sum? Here also you should separate the numbers using 1's and 10's. 1's column alone you should add first. After that only you should move to the 10's column. Okay. Add this number 1's place. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6. 7 in the mind and 6 in the finger. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30. So 30 is the answer. 30 is 2-digit number. Write 1's place down and 10's place carry over. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 5 after 6, 7. 73. So 47 plus 26 equal to 73. Okay. See this number? 1's place. So we add this sum using blocks. Yes. See here, 37. 37 consists of 3 10's and 7 1's. So we draw the tens block. See here, 1 10, 2 10, 3 10's. 37 consists of 3 10's and 7 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 16. 16 consists of how many tens and how many ones? Tens 1 and ones 6. So 1 10 and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So we add, see here, 7 plus 6. 7 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You got the answer? 13, no? So we add using blocks. Bunch blocks and also we try to add. See here, here 5 and here 5. Add both. Then you get 10. This is 10, right? And how many ones is remaining? 3. 10 plus 3 is 13, right? So 13 ones is there. Now 10 here means what you should do? 10 ones you should make it as 110, right? 10 ones anywhere there, 10 ones is there. You should make it as 110. So here also you should make 110. Now how many ones alone is there? Ones how many is there? Only 3. So you should write 3 here. Okay. And how many 10 is there? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here one carrying over, that is you added once, no? And you got 1, 10, right? That 10. That is 4 plus 1, 5, 10. So 5 times. Here also see 13. One's place you go down, one's place you go down, and 10's place you carry over. 1 plus 3, you get 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 53 will be the answer. If you don't want to add directly, you can draw the blocks and you can add. Okay. See here, 37 plus 16 equal to 53. Are you clear, ma? Shall we see some book exercise? Exercise 2C, page number 32. Add by regrouping, start with ones. Add by regrouping, start with ones. Whenever you add the number, you should start with ones place. See the first sum, 76 plus 9. Here, which one is ones place? Yes, this column is called ones place and this column is called tens column. Okay, here, which two numbers you should add? Ones place, whatever number is there, you should add. So, 6 plus 9. 6 in the mind and 9 in the finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is 1 digit or 2 digit number, Kana? Yes, it is 2 digit number. So, you should write it right on side. Okay, well, write ones and tens place. Once you should write it down. Tens place you should carry over. Now 1 plus 7 is 8. So 85. Answer is 85. And next sum. 45 plus 6. 45 plus 6. Here. This is ones place. And this one is tens place. Yes. Add the ones place first. 5 plus 6. You already know it is doubles, near doubles. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So, here 11. Ones place, write it down. Tens place, carry over. 1 plus 4 is 5. So, 51 will be the answer. Are you clear, ma'am? In this way, try to complete the entire sums. Okay, next page, you are going to add 3-digit number. How to add 3-digit number? Anyway, see, these two already we saw, right? And this one alone you should do. Okay, add in 2 ways. How you can add in 2 ways? See here, first number addition, in any order you can add. So, 6 plus 2 plus 7 means you can add 6 to first, otherwise 2 plus 7 you can add. Okay, any 2 numbers you can add first. After that you can add another number. See here, 6 plus 2, 6 after 7, 8. So 8. 8 plus 7, 8 in the mind, 7 in the finger, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 will be the answer. So 5, write it down. Here any number is there to carry over? No. So you can write 1 as it is. So 15 is the answer. Okay. Next sum. See the next sum. 6 plus 2 plus 7. The same sum. Now I am going to add these 2 numbers first. After that I am going to add next one. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 6. 9 in the mind. 6 in the finger. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 will be the answer. Any order if you add also you will get same number as answer. Okay, interchange the number you can add, no problem. Okay, see here, see the last one. Add using any method. Okay, see here. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Combination of 10, using combination of 10. Okay. Here, down to up or up to down, any way you can add. Okay, this one doubles is there. Using doubles you can add first. After that you can add the another number. This one you are having doubles and combination of tens. In this way you can add the numbers. Are you clear, Kanna? Children, you might have the knowledge about these sums, right? Kindly prepare for your slip test. from chapter 1, place value you should read, and numbers, names from 1 to 200 you should read, and practice the ordinal numbers, even numbers, odd even numbers, everything please practice. Okay. And chapter 2, addition, subtraction tables, you know, right? Addition table, doubles table, that one also please read it, and combinations of 10 also please read it. Do well in your exam. Okay, kindly practice more and do it well. Don't go outside, please stay at your home. Thank you.